Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. In this video we will discuss about math logic, and before that let me introduce myself. My name is Lahani Arsana Putri and I'm from the C class of the first semester, and my last three numbers of my identification college student number is 057.
Okay, let's start with the mind mapping of math logic. As you can see on the screen, I already serve the mind map of math logic. It's quite complex, right? So first, we are going to heading about declarative sentence, which we will talk about declarative sentence, tautology, contradictions, equivalent, and logic inference. And after that, we are going to move to the quantity sentence. In this discussion, we will talk about a table of quantity sentence and the example of it. So just check it out. Well, let's start about declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is a sentence that have a value whether it's true or false, but remember, not both of them, just one of them. And when we are talking about declarative sentence, it means we are have a relation about the truth of the sentence. The whole truth of the sentence is only depend on the truth value of the sentence constructions, and remember, it doesn't depend on the relation between them. Well, if P and Q are a sentence, we can make a table of truth to find whether the sentence are are true or false. Here is some examples of the table of truth. That's about declarative sentence. Now we're going to talk about tautology. Tautology is a form of sentence that always have the value of true. Remember, always have the value of true. So in the table truth, it's always have T sign as a symbol that it's true on the whole rows. While contradiction is a form of sentence that always have the value of false. It's have a contradiction with the tautology. In the truth table, the contradiction always have F symbol as a sign of false on its rows. Well, now we are going to talk about equivalent. When the sentence is an equivalent sentence, only if both of them have the same truth value. Remember, it has a great requirement. Only if the both of sentence are sharing the same truth of value, that it's called as an equivalent sentence. Well, while we are talking about equivalent, there are some laws to talk about equivalence. It calls as the law of equivalent. I'll show you the table so that you can learn it more further. Here we go. We are going to talk about the last discussion in declarative sentence. It's about logic inference. In logic inference, we are talking about argument. Argument is some sentence that arrange called as a premise. So in order to make it clear for you guys, I will show you the table of the logic inference so that we can know what is the correct argument. Well, that's all about declarative sentence. Now we are going to move for the next discussion. It's about quantity sentence. Before that, let me show you about the table of quantity sentence that can lead us to know how to make a great sentence in a correct quantity. Well, based on my research about quantity sentence, quantity sentences are words to show how many elements that will be needed in order to make a correct predicate in a sentence. Here I already show you some configuration. For the first one, every red colors are gray, and the second one, there's x. For x squared equals to x when x is a member set of integer. You get it? Well, we are going to the closing part. That's all my explanation about math logic, which we are talking about declarative sentence and quantitative sentence, and what's another discussion between them. Now, I want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate if you do give a comment so that I can do more better in the future. Once more time, thank you for watching and see you.